G'day, it's Robbie from North Coast Motor Classics. Got an LT500 quadzilla. Pretty special one, this one though. It's been fitted with a H2 750 Kawasaki triple engine. It's got all the trick homemade combustion chambers and everything on it. It's all been done professionally. It's got a handmade alloy tank on it. It's just a weapon, this thing. It's all been done properly though. No corners cut. Needs a little bit of finishing off, as in cosmetic wise. You could do with pulling right down and everything painted to really make it bling, but overall it's a really well finished unit. It's got a fast by gas engine in it. It's a drag engine. It's been ported. It's got flat slide electrons on it. If you know anything about Paul Gast, he's the man for the Kawasaki triples. All the brakes work and everything. All electronics are all housed in underneath here.